I'm Jimmy from HPI. HPI is fuel injection. That's our passion. It's where it started. It's where it's always been at and where it always will be. We have been pretty much obsessed with since the start. We've branched into other product lines, but that's pretty much what we focus on. We've always tried to make the best, most quality performance parts as far as fuel injection components go and stay ahead of the curve. It's pretty cut and dry. It's fuel injection components. How did our passion for motorcycles and Harley-Davidsons come together? Horsepower Inc is the name. It pretty much says it all. We like things that have some power and some torque and things that are loud. And it's a passion for everybody in the shop. We don't really get into the whole thrills and chrome and all that stuff. We're more just about raw power, really things that just go fast. They gave us a 2020 Electra Glide Standard, and we turned it into a full-on drag bike. It looks like a Road King now, but that's just because we tried to make it as light as possible. Everybody thought here that that bike was more the platform that you would buy it and make it as fast as you could. You don't got to go as crazy as we did, but we thought that model bike was like a baseline for something you could make totally bitchin'. Goals going into Sturgis were to get that bike down the racetrack. By the end of the year, we'd like to, have it rolling down the track pretty good. It was not a struggle, but it was just a challenge as far as what we did to the motorcycle. We went kind of out on a limb and did things we're not really comfortable with. We turbocharged something. We're more naturally aspirated people at this shop, so doing a boosted bike with a whole ECU and changing the entire bike to completely custom parts was a pretty fun project. The results of it? I think our best pass at Sturgis was 6:0:35. Like 125 miles an hour. Eric ran a 9.0 last week and had some mechanical issues. We actually broke the header off. We fixed that. I mean, the bike's gonna be in the mid-8s pretty quick, I think. By the end of the year, we'll be down in the low 8s. We're just creeping up on it instead of, breaking parts, which we're good at, really.
Hi, I'm Andrew from Horsepower Inc, all the way from Indianapolis. We're here in Sturgis, South Dakota at the Sturgis Dragway for the Horsepower Inc and Harley-Davidson's Sturgis Shootout. we've been out here the past couple days at the Sturgis Dragway working on our bike build that we did for this event. It's a brand new setup. This was a frame up build. A whole lot of new components, a lot of R&D that's went into it and stuff. We've had a lot of help from additional people in the industry and stuff to get us where we're at. You don't have everything going as smooth as you want to sometimes. We have had a few small complications. We got most of the tuning figured out. We had a couple components that we were having a couple issues with. We got those swapped out for new working components. We even had something as simple as a blown fuse last night that put us out from making an extra pass at the end of the evening. Something simple can also cause a big hiccup, but we got it all ironed out. We're ready to go today. I think everything will be pretty smooth. Hopefully there's a good crowd turnout and stuff. And once again, thanks everybody for all the help, all the support, everybody that's coming out to participate in this event. We're all here to have fun, but also feed our competitive edge that we really like to enjoy.